Hello everyone, my name is Xiaoyong RUAN and I'm from the University of Fukui in Japan. Today, I would like to introduce my research topic titled Structural Integrity Assessment and Material Irradiation Modeling of Irradiate Components. First of all, let me introduce myself. I come from China and my expertise lies in structural material engineering. Currently, I hold the position of Senior Assistant Professor in the Department of Nuclear Safety Engineering at the University of Fukui. Outside of academia, I enjoyed mountain climbing and driving as my hobbies. And I considered myself an outgoing person who loved outdoor activities. Throughout the past decade, I have been actively involved in both engineering work and research, focusing on the assessment of structural integrities. My experiments span various fields such as wind power, nuclear energy, and fusion energies. Since 2023, I have been conducting research at the University of Fukui, specifically on the topic of structural integrity assessment and material irradiation modeling of irradiate components. Next, let me explain the context of the structural integrity assessment, focusing on structural and materials. In nuclear power and nuclear fusions, structural materials experiments values load and undergo material degradations caused by high-energy neutron irradiations. When designing structures, it is crucial to recognize that the load during the normal operation are much lower than the material stress. This means that the driving force is significantly smaller than the resistance. During the design life stage, it is important to design structure capable of withstanding the expected load while consider the decreasing the material stress during the irradiation-induced degradations. This process forms the function of the structural safety designs. However, if abnormal operation conditions occurs during operations, extremely load can increase the driving force. If the irradiation-induced material degradations is present at this time, there is a risk that the driving force may execute the resistance, leading to the structure finishes. To ensure the structural integrity of the irradiate components, the following conditions are crucial. 1. From the structure perspective, evaluate the effect of the external load on the structural integrities using coupled allowances, valuations, and risk assessment. 2. From a material perspective, understand the effect of irradiation on structural materials by developing material irradiation models and evaluating them through the experiment. Next, let me introduce the recent progress and future work in my research. My research focused on two main areas: structural topics and material topics. In the field of structural topics, my objective is to enhance the evaluation of structural integrity for aging nuclear reactors and nuclear fusion reactors during the design stage and under combined loads. To achieve this, I'm conducting function researches on numerical analysis technologies that involve the coupled analysis of magnetic fields, fluid dynamics, structure mechanics, and fracture mechanics. This interdisciplinary approach enables to comprehensive understanding of the complex behavior of the structural components. Regarding the material topics, I'm actively involved in predicting the deregulations of the material caused by irradiations, such as volume swellings. This entails studying the effect of irradiations on various materials and developing models to accurately predict their behaviors. Advancing material irradiation models is a critical aspect of my research, as it facilitates the assessment of long-term performance and reliabilities of material used in nuclear reactor and fusion systems. Through my research advances in this area, I aim to make the contributions to the field of the structural integrity assessment and material performance in nuclear and fusion energy systems. Finally, I would like to deliver a message with the student. In the field of mechanical material engineering, it is crucial for professionals to have a solid understanding of theoretical knowledge and practical engineering skills. However, in today's competitive job market, preserving a global perspective and excelling in communications and resources management are becoming increasingly important. At the University of Fukui, we provided international students with a chance to develop these essential skills and obtained a master's degree through our global engineering programs for the international student, GEPIS. We welcome students who are interested in embarking on this journey with us. Thank you for attention.